What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we're looking at a remote control cockroach. It's a pretty big cockroach. Everybody knows somebody who is afraid of bugs, especially cockroaches. I don't really know anybody who's actually a fan of cockroaches. They're pretty squirmy and a little creepy and they're just gross. Over at GearBest, they got some pretty cool remote control stuff, and I was like, you know what? Let's take a look at this remote control cockroach. It takes 6 button cell batteries, and the whole thing only weighs like a kilogram or something, so it's super duper light, and the batteries are included. So the cockroach, it takes 3 batteries, and the remote takes 3 batteries. I'm hoping that we can turn the lights off, because that's not very cockroach-like. Oh my God. Ew. Ew. Look at this thing, it's huge. Oh, I wonder if these move. I think they do. We got a remote and we got our batteries. Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. So you just pull it down and it'll expose the buttons. Now these are not buttons. And then this turns, I guess? I'm not really sure. I guess we'll find out. And then there's these 3 modes. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna need my handy dandy fix-it kit. By the way, if you haven't seen the video for this, definitely suggest going to check it out. There we go. There we go. So now it should. There we go. We got power. All right. Oh, the lights are on. Okay, cool. Thank you, iFixit kit. We got power. Let's turn them both on and see what happens. Oh! Oh my God, this is so stupid. Okay, so you got 1 turn, and then you got forward. I don't like the lights. What I would probably do is maybe take some electrical tape and cover that up. That actually would freak somebody out. I can see right now, right? You're sitting in your living room, maybe your girl or your mother or somebody who's afraid of bugs is sitting there in the living room. Maybe you're watching a movie. Before the movie, you tuck this underneath the couch. And then while you're sitting there watching the movie, just imagine it comes crawling out. I think it's like 10 bucks or something. I think they should go on sale, maybe sell them for about 5 bucks a piece, because there's nothing too fancy really. Maybe just sitting around in the bedroom or something, hide it under the bed. All of a sudden, what's that sound? Your girl looks down, ah! If you're a prankster and you want something, something kind of cheap to pull a prank on somebody or multiple people, go check it out. All right, guys, so I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. Go check it out for yourself, but as for now, get out of here.